A superior quantum computer could break encryption and solve problems that the classical computers couldn't. No one succeeded in creating such a device until now, but progress has recently been accelerated. And what do you think is the owner of this progression? Yes, none other than Elon Musk. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Elon Musk Evolution, where we tell you all the latest news about Elon Musk and his multi-billion-dollar companies. In today's video, we are going to tell you about the most powerful quantum processor, which is owned by Elon Musk. Let's know what we can do with such a powerful chip. It's true that IBM is behind the production of this processor, but Elon Musk has just put forward a deal. Let's know what this deal is about, but before that, have a look at what this processor is capable of. At the IBM Quantum Summit 2021, IBM unveiled its new 127 quantum bit or qubit Eagle processor. The company's annual event showcasing milestones in quantum hardware, software, and the quantum ecosystem's growth. The Eagle processor is a major step forward in realizing the massive computing potential of quantum-based devices. It marks a turning point in hardware development when quantum circuits can no longer be accurately simulated on a traditional computer. IBM also gave a sneak peek at its plans for IBM Quantum System 2, the next generation of quantum computers. Quantum computing takes advantage of the fundamental quantum nature of matter at the subatomic level to provide massively increased computing power. The quantum circuit, which consists of an arrangement of qubits into quantum gates and measurements, is the fundamental computational unit of quantum computing. The quantum circuits that a quantum processor can run are more complex and valuable the more qubits it has. About quantum, Elon has a video up recently that shows a system called Quantum AI, which he claims he spent $3 billion designing. Quantum AI claims to run on quantum computers' processing power. Quantum AI system, in practice, process thousands of decisions at once and manage to make the best decision for clients' investments. And for this, he needed a powerful processor, which IBM is ready to provide. IBM recently unveiled detailed quantum computing roadmaps, including a path for scaling quantum hardware to enable complex quantum circuits to achieve quantum advantage, the point at which quantum systems outperform their classical counterparts meaningfully. Eagle is the most recent step in the scaling process. Scale, quality, and speed are three performance attributes that IBM uses to track progress in quantum computing hardware. The number of qubits on a quantum processor determines the maximum size of a quantum circuit that can be run. Quantum volume is a metric that describes how well quantum circuits run on a real quantum device. CLOPS, or circuit layer operations per second, is a metric introduced by IBM in November 2021 that captures the feasibility of running real-world calculations involving a large number of quantum circuits. Well, of course, Elon Musk is aware of those attributes, that he offered them a lump sum amount of money to get the ownership of such a powerful thing, and it's confirmed that IBM happily accepted that offer. And now, Elon Musk has all the rights to it. And now Elon Musk's work on quantum supercomputers will change everything. You must be familiar with the Dojo. Tesla unveiled this groundbreaking technology on its Artificial Intelligence Day. It's known as the Dojo supercomputer, and it's powered by this Eagle. In fact, the automaker claims to have created the fastest artificial intelligence training machine in the world. But how? Many questions must be running through your mind about how an electric vehicle manufacturer is attempting to take over the IT sector. Is Tesla capable of developing such technology? The answer is Eagle. When an eccentric personality like Elon Musk is involved, nothing is impossible. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, has previously surprised his critics by realizing his improbable visions. Other high-performance computing options did not satisfy Tesla, and they believed they can do better internally. So if you think about it, Tesla's Dojo supercomputer was created to solve a single problem. You might be wondering why we're even discussing Tesla's supercomputer. After all, it's not like it's the first company to do so. We already have supercomputers with 442 petaflops such as Japan's Fujiku and others like Sierra Selene Summit and Perlmutter. Sunway Tai Light and Joule, respectively, from China and Germany, have interesting supercomputer technology. But did you know that Tesla Dojo has a better chance of succeeding than an AXA flop? This is 1,000 petaflops, or 1 quintillion floating point operations per second. The Tesla supercomputer is now the world's 5th most powerful supercomputer in terms of flops, thanks to its outstanding performance. This supercomputer is powered by a Dojo D1 chip, which is Tesla's second chip designed in-house to deliver unprecedented bandwidth and computing performance. But now it is going to be replaced by Eagle, and imagine what kind of changes it could bring. Quantum computing will be crucial in advancing autonomous driving. Musk demonstrates his speed by saying that if a model takes a few days to train, it's a big deal. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving AI will be trained on the near-quantum supercomputer, which was previously difficult to train due to a lack of cloud computing power. According to Andrej Karpathy, Tesla's senior director of AI, computer vision is what we do and what enables autopilot. And for that to work really well, you need a huge data set, which we get from the fleet, and you also need to train the neural net extensively and experiment a lot. So we have invested a lot in the calculations. Supercomputers are also suitable for use in other industries and applications, such as oil and gas exploration, space exploration, climate modeling, financial modeling, 3D modeling, weather forecasting, consumer product design, and digital security, due to their general-purpose design. It can be used to break codes by brute force and simulate nuclear tests. Moreover, Eagle is IBM's first quantum processor with more than 100 operational and connected qubits, which was developed and deployed. It comes after IBM's 65-qubit Hummingbird processor, which was announced in 2020, and the 27-qubit Falcon processor, which was announced in 2019. IBM researchers built on innovations pioneered within its existing quantum processors, such as a qubit arrangement design that reduces errors and an architecture that reduces the number of required components to achieve this breakthrough. The new technology used in Eagle allows for a significant increase in qubits by placing control wiring on multiple physical levels within the processor, while keeping the qubits on a single layer. When conducting experiments and running applications, such as optimizing machine learning or modeling new molecules and materials for use in areas ranging from the energy industry to the drug discovery process, the increased qubit count will allow users to explore problems at a new level of complexity. Elon Musk said, "The IBM quantum processor Eagle is the first of its kind, with a scale that a classical computer can't reliably simulate. The number of classical bits required to represent a state on the 127-qubit processor, in fact, exceeds the total number of atoms in the world's 7.5 billion people." The introduction of Eagle's processor is a significant step toward the day when quantum computers can outperform classical computers in useful applications, said Dr. Daro Gill, Senior Vice President and Director of Research at IBM. Quantum computing has the potential to transform nearly every industry and assist us in addressing the world's most pressing issues. This is why IBM continues to push the boundaries of quantum hardware and software design, enabling quantum and classical workloads to collaborate and fostering a global ecosystem critical to the quantum industry's growth. Elon Musk and IBM are not the only ones who are concerned about quantum computing systems. Chinese scientists claim to have developed a quantum computing system that can perform calculations that classical computers can't. The system can perform certain calculations nearly 100 trillion times faster than Japan's Fugaku, the world's fastest supercomputer. The 53-qubit Jusheng processor can detect up to 76 photons using Gaussian boson sampling in 3 minutes, whereas the 442 petaflop Fugaku system would have taken 10,000 years. It would have taken more than 2 billion years on China's most powerful supercomputer, the 93 petaflop Sunway Taihu Lite. In 2019, Google's quantum computer completed a calculation in less than 4 minutes that would have taken 10,000 years on the world's most powerful computer. It is the seed for the world's first fully functional quantum computer, which will be capable of producing better medicines, developing smarter artificial intelligence, and solving cosmic mysteries. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Let us know if you have any questions or comments in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of our incredible videos. You can also watch our other videos that have been specially selected for you. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.